So we were on a walk tour in Georgetown and we stopped by Jetty 35 Art Center to check out what's inside. We found this retro themed cafe to chill and refresh. This cafe was recently opened in May or June of this year. It's really great to see authentic vintage items of yesteryears on display as decorations. Most of the items were collected by the owner over the years and some were given by customers and friends. And the best part about this cafe is they serve Vietnamese coffee here. I couldn't say no to that.
One white coffee lah. Make it cold.
Okay, I'll have the Vietnamese milk coffee, the one with condensed milk, cool, yeah?
The choice of food here is limited, but it's all good as we were here for the drinks. So let's check out this place while we wait for our order.
Do you remember this? Munchies.
One more.
Okay. That's about
The Vietnamese iced coffee here was excellent, strong and refreshing. And the mango juice was a delight as well.
So you're okay?